Hello. Look, it's Nicholas. He told me to buy these fruity pebbles, and I will try them now. Okay, hold on 1 minute. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Oh. Nicholas, it is delicious. Let us see what Nicholas is snacking on today. Cheers! So fruity.